Time is the most valuable resource we have, yet it often slips away unnoticed. In a world full of distractions, managing time has become a modern superpower. But what does digital productivity really mean? It's using technology and smart tools to get more done in less time. Imagine replacing chaos with clarity and stress with control. The first step is planning your day with digital calendars. Next, use task managers to track every small responsibility. Automation tools can save hours by doing repetitive work for you. Focus apps can block distractions and keep your mind sharp. Time tracking apps show where your minutes are really going. Remember, productivity is not about doing more, but about doing what matters most. Break tasks into smaller steps. It makes progress feel easier and faster. Even a 5-minute digital routine can change your entire day. When you control your time, you control your life. Digital productivity isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Start small today, because your future is built on how you spend your minutes now.